Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to use CapCut templates on PC. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you'll have to go to CapCut.com. Okay, this once you'll be able to see this page here. So right after that, just click on the templates, enter the share history. So you'll be able to see the different templates from here. Okay, so you can also use the search bar at the top corner of your screen in order to search for a specific template. So for example, travel. So you'll be able to see a bunch of travel templates here. So for example, let's choose this one. And then right after that, you'll have to click on the use this template. Okay, so you'll be able to see this, and then you'll just have to replace the media from the template. Okay, so for example, like this. Okay, so let's try on playing the video. Okay, to see the changes. Also, we'll have to. I'm sorry, that we're going to start from the very beginning. Okay, so something it would look like this. Okay, when we play the video. So now you have successfully put a media that you want to replace. So you can now be able to use the template. And if you want to use another template, you'll just have to go over of what you did from the beginning. So you'll just have to search for a template or choose a template from the menu. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.